Okay, guys. I'm here trying to get the padlock. Okay, so can I show your face? No. Okay. All right. So this is the one that yeah. But how durable is this?
It is very good. I don't know. It is very good. This one, it is very difficult for anybody to spoil because of how the hole is and how they've done it.
Okay. Do you have just one? Okay, and then there's this one, and then this type, and then this type,
51
and then this type. Okay. All right. So there, and then
focus on last boss to run
this, and then this one. This comes with a key ring. Go over there. Okay. Can you give me another one, please?
Alarm type. These are alarm type.
Alarm, yeah. Yeah, this is the alarm type.
Alarm type.
Can I see it, please?
You want me to set it for you?
Yeah. And how much is that, please?
45 cents.
Okay, all right.
Shall I give this one? They take this one. I know.
Okay.
Alarm type, this is how it goes. I want to lock your room and leave this packet, this one. This one.
Oh, you would have to remove it.
I have to remove everything. If you want to set the alarm.
That will waste time. If somebody is trying to knock my head.
Just put it back.
Okay. So what is this alarm for? You got to explain it. What is it for?
For security purpose.
No, it beeped when you removed it or when you closed it. Now
as you close it like this, like how the alarm will sound.
Oh, okay. But it's you closing it. It's not the thief coming in.
No. When you close it and you leave it, somebody else touch it.
Oh.
Alarm.
Oh, okay. All right.
More speakers.
Okay. This one. Why would you have to remove the head from it?
To set the alarm.
Oh, to set the alarm.
Yeah,
but what if quickly you are just you hang it, right? You hang it by the door, by here, right? You hang it, and then at the end of the day, what do?
You hang it at the end of the
You close it or you don't close it?
You have
Sorry,
to close
darling.
it.
Do you close it?
Yeah, you have to close it.
All the time?
You have to close it.
So that it doesn't hang?
You see, when you open it like this, you can't hang it like this without opening it. It will not hang.
It will not hang.
So unless you close it before, you can hang it or something.
Oh, I see your point.
It's not like this one. It's not like this one. That when you open one side is holding it.
And then you lock it. Okay, this one is not like that.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, all right. So do you think this one is more sensible than this one?
Compared to where you are going to use it, maybe when you are going to use it, people are not around the area, or like the distance between the houses are wider. You prefer to use one or maybe your store. But if you are living in I don't know. But this is a secret for security purpose. For security purpose, in case somebody comes around to do something bad, they did touch it, so that the person will feel like somebody's around. And
But how long would this go? Would this beep? For a long time?
It lasts for long. It lasts for long. They have a spare battery for it. That when this battery goes off, you can change it.
Oh.
Yeah. The manual is here as to how you do it. Everything is
Can it beep the whole night while you are away? Or when would it stop?
This one, I think. Let me see. Like how long it will go down. The lock will beep. At this point, remove the key and the alarm will set after 15 seconds. When the lock is vibrated twice within 5 seconds, an alarm will sound. The 5-second delay allows the lock to be opened. The alarm sounds in 10 seconds intervals.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right. So just in case in the night somebody comes, touches it, okay, it will blow. But how would I know if I live at far away?
That's how people will come around. You see, it's like, I don't know, but it's
when
not,
we are different.
when you are going somewhere and there is an emergency car coming and it starts blowing alarm, you have to park your car somewhere for it to pass. So definitely this begin to blow alarm, it will catch the attention of the people around.
Oh, to come.
You
Oh,
understand?
okay.
And even if you are a thief and you are going to steal, when you touch this and start blowing alarm, you run.
Oh,
So that nobody
sure.
will come and
Okay.
that's it.
What if a lizard accidentally gets there, because there's a lot of lizards and snakes?
He's talking about the alarm. Maybe if it's not a human being attached by the lizard, maybe
It will still blow. Oh.
There's a film.
Okay.
There's a film.
Okay.
It's just like you see the security system. That wire. See, when
Yeah.
An animal even touches it.
Yeah.
It still blows.
Yeah, to blow for a very long time.
And if it blows, nobody will come around.
Okay.
Thief will not come around.
All right. Okay. Okay. Get that. And get that. Okay. Thanks. This is the second one. So we are getting two. So you lock it. How many times do you lock it?
Only one.
Only. Okay. Okay. Do you have a key ring, a bigger one, so that just in case one gets lost? Okay. All right.
I'll be alright.